guys, Chris is working on the sink that we stopped working on the other day because we went to go get our pig meat instead, and now I'm working on seedlings, and I'll show you what I'm doing. I put boiling hot water in here. I need to add a little more water or a little more soil to that because it's too wet. And then I just cleaned out these trays with hot water. That's it. And I'm going to put a couple of drops of peroxide to disinfect them. A couple drops, a good squeeze in each one. And that's how I'm cleaning these out and disinfecting them and having them ready so that they'll be nice and clean and no parasites. So we'll let those soak for a while, and I'll go help Chris with the sink. Now I'm making 1/4 inch divots. They're probably a little bit deeper than that, but that's okay. And then I'm going to put 2 seeds in each hole. And these are cauliflower. I'm starting all my brassicas, my cauliflower, my broccoli, and then I'm going to start some cabbage as well. This is the perfect time of year to start that, and then they go in early spring. The other things that I'll put in early spring is potatoes and stuff like that, but this I have to start 8 weeks before they go in the ground. So that is why I am starting these now. We like to make pizza crust out of cauliflower. We're not big fans of just the cauliflower. It doesn't seem to have lots of taste, but it's good to make rice and pizza crust and stuff like that if you're on a low carb diet. So that's what we're doing this for. So that's why we're doing a whole tray. And if we have lots of extras, we'll just either sell them or give them away. Now, one thing I made sure when I filled up these holes is that I tampered them all down, so that made sure that there was no air pockets in the soil. And when I cover them up, I'm pretty much firmly kind of making sure that those seeds have contact with soil all the way around them. That's kind of the real key to starting seeds, and making sure that your soil is not too moist. You want your soil to be moist enough to clump together, but not too moist that you can wring it out. These seeds are very small, but very easy to handle, as long as your hands are dry. If you get your fingers wet, they just stick to your fingers and then they won't drop in the hole. Now, the broccoli, cauliflower, and cabbage seeds all look the same, so they're easy to get mixed up. And then in the next video that I show you guys, probably on my seedlings, will be when to start fertilizing them. This is one of the things I like to do if I don't have a dome, is just put saran wrap over it. Make sure to always label it, folks. Okay guys, so that's what I've got done. I don't know if these onions are going to turn out, but I've got romaine lettuce, broccoli, cauliflower back there, and lots of broccoli. So this is broccoli and cabbage, and then romaine lettuce here in the front. I only do a few of those because I'll start another couple in a couple of weeks, because I succession sow those. And then this back here is cauliflower and a whole tray of broccoli. And then this is half a tray of broccoli and half a tray of cabbage. And then these are my onions that I've been growing for about a month now. I think I need to trim them off. And these are Walla Wallas, and that's the lettuce I grew. And they're not doing real great. So we'll see how it goes. It's too late to start another set, but we'll keep trying until we get it. I got plenty of seeds to keep trying. So, but I'm not going to start seeds now because it's just too late in the season. So I'll probably start with starts again this year. So unless those start growing, some miracle happens. We'll trim them off and see if that helps them. Anyways, we'll see you next time. Thank you for watching. God bless. Bye.